gentlemen, this is your boy Tony. We're here at the casino. It's early in the morning. It's 2 a.m. and we haven't gone to sleep yet. We just got the bonus, regular bonus, and it's a Timberwolf. So let's see how we do. Our bet is $4, $4.40. That's how much we're betting, and see what's happening. Hopefully we can get something good. Wish me luck, guys. Remember, we can always upgrade over here on this one. We got 2 go-heads already. This is similar to the Buffalo. You collect the go-heads. That's 4 out of 12. This game has a lot of potential too, guys. Just tell you that. Whoa. That's 30 times 2 for the Wolves. Very nice. And we still got 5 more games to go, guys. We can still retrigger, but the thing is that over here it's so hard to get a retrigger with this game. But it's doable though. We can still do it. I wish we would have got one more at the end. That would have been really massive. Just one more right here, guys, in this reel right here. It would have been really big. Someone told me not to touch the machine because it kind of resets again, so I'm gonna just later on. Let's do that again, huh? One more for 7, so we can switch the old man, I think it is, or one of those guys. I don't know which one is it. Oh man, we didn't get it. It's coming. There you go. There you have it. Come on, upgrade. So now, the Bears. Go switch. All the way. Yes. That's $80 right there. 30 times 2 and 10 times 2. Almost $100 on that hit. Let's retrigger, yeah? I'm telling you guys, this game has a lot of potential. I'm sorry guys, I'm not gonna fast forward because someone told me not to do that because it resets the machine. So, and I believe in that too now. It shouldn't take that long, guys. Come on, it shouldn't be that bad. So yeah, so far tonight we're having a great night. That's the last minute. There you go, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Appreciate you all. Thank you.